Hi guys, it's me Kia again. So today I have for you another swatch video. Now I guess by far I've done only one, and that too Stay Quirky Metallics collection. In case you have not seen it yet, you know the drill. It will be up in the cards, down in the description box below. So go check it out and give it some love. Anyways, like those polishes were straight up glitz, shimmery party polishes. So if you're looking for that or you're into it, then that collection was for you. So yeah, I believe I don't do much swatches here on YouTube channel, right? Matlab, I'm so used to Insta swatches that sometimes I just forget that I have a YouTube channel where I can show the whole collection at once. Okay, let's make a deal. If I have say more than 5 polishes of a collection, I'll do it here on YouTube. I'll swatch them here on YouTube. Otherwise, I'll stick to Insta swatches. So do follow me there. But for today's video, I have a brand which I quite recently discovered because of my fellow bloggers, and I was blown away by their polishes, like literally blown away by their polishes. And yes, I'm talking about Spectre Cosmetics. So the brand was started by two beautiful ladies to help out us ladies in, I believe, 2018. And their recent launch was a collection of 12 beautiful creme polishes. They, like, before lockdown, they approached me asking me if I would like to try out their polishes for nail art, and I was like, hell yes. And the moment I tried their polishes, I was so impressed that I knew that I have to get more of their shades. But yes, of course, lockdown happened. But now, post lockdown, when they started shipping once again, and yes, they've started shipping once again. So, after watching this video, if you want to buy any of their polishes, you can place your orders and it will be delivered to your doorstep. So yes, as I was saying that after lockdown, when they started shipping, I grabbed 4 more of their shades and I love them as well. So today I'm gonna be showing you 8 polishes out of their 12 polish collection, and we'll talk more about the brand and the polishes at the end of the video. But for now, enjoy the swatches. Okay, guys, so these are all the polishes that I had from their collection. Now, let's talk a little bit more about this brand and particularly the polishes. Given the recent incident which happened in India, the sad incident, I guess it's really important for me to mention that these polishes are vegan and they're cruelty free. That means no animals were harmed during the making of these polishes. And I guess this is one more reason to follow this brand, right? And they are nine free. That means they are free of nine harmful chemicals that are usually present in your nail polishes. In case you want the list of those chemicals, you can head over to their website. Like, I'll mention that in the description box below. It's clearly mentioned over there. Now each of these polishes, they retail for like 250 rupees and you get 8 ml of product in them. I really love the packaging, like it's so cute and classy. Plus, if we talk about the formula is pretty smooth. It's on the thicker side, but it's pretty smooth to apply and you get full coverage in just two coats. Though I still recommend you using a top coat for long lasting purposes. Now I love all the colors in their shade which I have, or even which I don't have, which I'll get, might get. Uh, if I get them, I'll post their swatches on my Instagram, so go follow me there. Okay. As I said, I love all the 8 colors I have. But if you want to ask like what are the top 3 favorite colors that I like, then the first one I'll pick is this one, Cool Cat. This off-white color, and this changed the game for me. Like when people used to say a palette cleanser polish, or if you don't want to use a stark white, use a off white, it will like give you a different look. I never used to understand that, but when I used it in my nail art, I understood what they meant by using an off-white polish instead of a stark white. I know many brands might have done this off-white thingy, but guys, Spectre Cosmetics nailed it. This is by far the best off-white polish that I've come across so far. And I don't think so I can ever let go an off-white polish now. It's as necessary as owning a black and white polish. The next color that is my favorite is Poster Girl. I'm sporting this right now, so you can probably tell how much I love it. The reason I love it because it will suit all skin tones. It's a pale, dusty pink color and it is totally office appropriate. Like if you're an office going person, you can totally wear it on your nails and it won't look odd. The third and the last is this one, Sunflower. Now you probably already know that I love yellow nails. I seem to mention that in my polish collection tag video. Now this is not traditional conventional yellow. It is more on a mustardy side, but I love it. And you won't believe that the day I got it, I created this nail art. I was waiting to get my hands on this, and as soon as Spectre started their shipping, I just grabbed it. I love it. So I love all the 12 shades they have in their collection so far. But I still expect them to like come up with some more unique shades or maybe finishes because I'm kind of tired of metallics, shimmers, glitters, mattes. I think it's high time for Indian nail polish brands to like come up with some unique colors or finishes maybe. Let me know your thoughts on that one. Yeah, comment down below. Plus, if you like the format of this swatch, then do give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to watch more swatch videos if I post any here on YouTube. And yes, of course, ring that bell to stay notified in case I post any swatch videos on my YouTube channel. Guys, stay home, stay safe, maintain social distancing, and please, please, please be kind to the animals around you. And yes, I'll catch you on my next one. Bye bye.